Hola, vamos a aprender sobre lección 5 de unidad 1, verbos. So a few basics about verbs. So all verbs must match with the subject of the sentence. That was what we learned as chart matching last year. Many of you, that is going to be pretty much a mental thing at this point, but if you have to write out the subject pronouns chart and then match it up with your verb conjugation charts, that's fine yet. It needs to match in person, first, second, and third, as well as you'll have informal and formal with the second person and number, singular or plural. We have three basic types of regular verbs, AR, ER, and IR. And to conjugate, remove AR, ER, and IR and attach proper endings. Two verbs back to back usually results in the second verb being in the infinitive form. And a sentence must have at least one conjugated verb but may have more. So here are your verb charts. For AR, you have o, as, a, amos, ais, an. There's an accent there on that English A in the vosotros form. For ER, you have o, es, a, amos, ais, ein, and an accent on the English E in ace, the vosotros form. And IR verbs o, es, a, imos, is, ein, and an accent on the vosotros form on the English I. One way to remember which of the letters gets the accent in the vosotros form: the AR gets it on the A, the ER gets it on the E, and the IR gets it on the I. So a few examples, ejemplos. The teacher runs in the laboratory. El profesor corre en el laboratorio. So we chopped off the ER, got our stem cor, and then we found the matching ending that matches with the third person singular that matches el profesor. Remember, if you don't have a subject pronoun in the sentence, you can take your subject and decide which subject pronoun would cover that subject and then match off that. The markers return to the whiteboard. Los marcadores regresan a la pizarra blanca. Billy and Samuel need to practice. Billy y Samuel necesitan practicar. So that's an example of back-to-back. The second one's an infinitive. We desire to talk with friends. Nosotros deseamos hablar con amigos. Again, a back-to-back with the second one being an infinitive. One thing to take note of, in that one, I could easily have dropped the subject pronoun nosotros and just gone deseamos hablar con amigos because the conjugation alone is unique to nosotros. They can do that with the top half of the chart, the yo, the tu, the nosotros, and the vosotros forms. El fin.